What's up, XRP holders and guys? It is absolutely crazy. There's literally such a thin line between us, the current XRP price, and daily 20 to 30% gains again. And in this quick video, I want to show you one specific chart that predicts exactly what we should expect right now in the immediate short term for XRP. And of course, it is all a game of probabilities, but this chart speaks a very clear language. So let me get straight into it. First, of course, like the video. Can we get this one once again back above 1,000 likes? I appreciate every single one of you watching. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, so let's start off here on the monthly time frame for XRP. And this is actually the thin line that I spoke about in the intro of the video. You can see that since 2021, XRP on the monthly time frame, and this is the line chart, so it cuts out all the noise. It focuses on the candlestick close. But you can see that XRP has been respecting this upward sloping resistance line since 2021 with 3 touch points so far. And the moment we break this trend line, I believe lights out and fireworks for XRP, for crypto. And as you can see, Bitcoin on the left hand side of the chart already broke this specific trend line. It looks exactly the same. Trend line since 2021 for Bitcoin, 3 touch points also, and on the 4 touch points, Bitcoin broke this trend line and saw massive continuation to the upside from 80K or so to $120,000. And I think that there's a high probability that XRP could break this trend line as well, and that we could see massive continuation here in the rest of 2025. Now, the line in the sand for XRP is $3.28. If we close a monthly candle above $3.28, then we have this confirmed breakout on the monthly scale, and then I'm looking out for the next price targets according to the Fibonacci, which is around $5 for XRP. So this is also a key chart to watch here on the monthly time frame. Here you can see it again, this upward sloping trend line, multiple touch points, but there is so much momentum going on since XRP is seeing a lot of fuel also from the Korean Upbit exchange, a lot of purchasing power from Korea. And I believe that there is a high chance that XRP could break the resistance anytime soon. Support to hold currently below us, still $3. That is the main area. We got rejected several times in the past few months, but for the first time we are holding above $3 with multiple weekly candlesticks. So this is also a very, very bullish development. And another extremely bullish development for XRP is actually on the monthly time frame, because in a few days, 2-3 days or so from now, we are about to close the monthly candle from July, which will be XRP's highest monthly close ever if we hold above $3. And that is absolutely insane, guys. If you can recall, before this month actually started, I warned you that July was historically a very bullish month always for XRP, and it played out perfectly because this monthly candle is up more than 50% for the month. Absolutely significant. What you can see is also pretty interesting, because retail interest, if we look at the Google Trends indicator in the past 12 months, we can see that the XRP search term, there is barely any retail interest currently. We had that spike about almost 2 weeks ago, but since then a sharp decline back to the downside, which means that retail is not interested at this moment in time, which is pretty interesting since XRP is about to close its highest monthly candle ever, and we are knocking on the door of this very crucial trend line, guys. So pay very close attention to all the signs. I still believe that the third and the fourth quarter of this year is most likely going to be extremely bullish for altcoins and for XRP as well. That was it, guys, for today's XRP analysis. Don't forget to like, subscribe, of course. Also follow me over on Instagram, link down below. I'm posting additional XRP and crypto content over there, so definitely check it out. I want to thank you all for watching, for the amazing support, and I see you very soon with another XRP update. Bye bye.